I'm Adam Lehrhaupt, children's book author and writing coach, and I'm here to help you jumpstart your writing with a 1-minute writing tip for today. Wednesday is all about refining your writing process, putting good habits in place so that you can move yourself forward and duplicate what worked on this book with the next one. Today's process writing tip is about pushing your pacing forward. Sometimes you want your pacing to slow down, but today we're going to talk about those times we want to speed it up. And a great way to do that is with page turns. When you end a page with an interesting or suspenseful line, you can help force a page turn. This drives the reader forward in your story and pushes your pacing along at a quicker pace. It's just that simple.